Unemployment remains a major problem in Uganda and African countries. That's why I've come up with tips on how you can start your own business at home with very little money on a small space. As always, this channel is called Be Your Own Boss. My name is Samuel Kawoya. Have you ever dreamt of starting your own profitable business right from your backyard without breaking the bank? What if I told you that turning your agricultural passion into your income is not only possible, but easier than you think? In this video, we are diving into innovative agri-business ventures you can launch from home with minimal startup costs. Transforming your aspirations into tangible profits in Uganda and Africa at large. New agricultural business ventures are explored in this video, focusing on opportunities that can be initiated from home with minimal starting capital. Viewers are presented with actionable ideas that could potentially transform their agricultural aspirations into tangible income streams. Starting a backyard agribusiness in Uganda or across Africa is a viable path to tangible profits if you focus on high demand but low space ventures. Success in these backyard businesses requires shifting from a nature-loving hobbyist mindset to a numbers-driven business approach. This video is a practical guide to launching, scaling, and profiting from home-based agricultural ventures in Uganda and across Africa.
The other gain is manure. People come looking for manure. A manure bag is 10,000 each manure bag. That is also a profit. Apart from selling eggs and selling the off layers, we sell manure also.
With urbanization, high demand for fresh produce, and limited available spaces, these low capital, high return ventures are tailored for quick income and sustainable growth. Here are the top innovative low-cost backyard agribusiness ideas you can do and earn a lot today. Number 1, let's talk about high-value urban farming, small space, high return. Business idea is mushroom farming, extremely profitable, requiring minimal space and capital. Oyster mushrooms, in particular, can be grown in shade or room spaces using sawdust or agro waste. Another one is microgreens and herb gardening, growing fast turnover, nutrient-dense greens for local restaurants and urban consumers. Microgreens and herb gardening, growing fast turnover, nutrient-dense greens for local restaurants or urban consumers brings high premium prices. Vertical and container farming, using old tires, sacks and vertical towers to grow leafy vegetables, tomatoes, and herbs on balconies or backyards. Let's now talk about high profit backyard livestock. These ventures require minimal land and can be started with very little initial capital. Rabbit rearing. Rabbits are prolific breeders with a short 30-day gestation period, allowing for rapid scaling. A single female can produce up to 25 kits per year, and there is a high demand for meat and urine-based fertilizers in Uganda and Africa at large. Small-scale poultry. You can start with as few as 50 chicks in a small backyard pen or abandoned shed. Local hens for eggs are particularly profitable as they fetch higher prices than hybrid ones and require low maintenance costs. Beekeeping or apiculture. If your backyard has nearby vegetation, you can start with a few local beehives. Pure honey and beeswax have a growing market among health-conscious consumers and healthy food stores in urban centers. Now let's talk about fast crop and nursery ventures. Focusing on short cycle crops ensures quick turnover of capital. Mushroom cultivation. This is one of the most space-efficient agribusiness options, as mushrooms can be grown in a small, darker room or shed. Oyster mushrooms reach harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks, and a small setup of 100 substrate bags can generate revenue 4 times than initial investment. Vegetable nurseries. Starting a nursery for high-value seedlings like hash avocado or passion fruit is highly lucrative. Microgreens and leafy greens. Fast-growing greens like spinach can be grown in sacks or plastic bottles. These crops have a turnover period of just a few weeks, making them ideal for constant cash flow. Innovative value addition and support services. Maximizing profit often means doing more than just raw farming. Organic fertilizer production. You can turn household food waste and animal droppings into compost manure. There is a high rising trend in sustainable farming, and many urban gardeners are willing to pay ready-to-use organic fertilizers. Agroblogging and consultants. If you have established a successful backyard system, you can monetize your knowledge by offering training workshops or sharing practices online. Small-scale food processing. Instead of selling raw produce, consider processing items into chips or pastes like ghee nuts or sim paste, or dried snacks to extend shelf life and increase margins. The key startup capital for such investments can be 350,000 Uganda shillings or less, but you have to choose a site that favors both production and easy market access. Lastly but not least, try as much as possible to conduct a feasibility study or attend training to understand modern techniques before investing. That is all for today, but come again for another lecture which will help you to develop. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. My name is Samuel Kawoya.